So when that digestive fire is not stable, not strong, not steady, when we're eating on the go, stressed out, and that fire is fluctuating too high or too low, that creates what Ayurveda calls toxic sludge, undigested toxic sludge. That's literally what they call it, and that's ama. And ama will make us feel toxic. It is a substance, so it's not just an energy. It's not like prana, which is an energy. It is a substance that, like tar, blocks the channels. So when there is ama, it feels very tamasic. The body often feels very swollen and heavy. The joints often very stiff and achy. It can create white coating on the tongue. All that sludge showing up in the belly can leave a sense of bloating and discomfort and just feeling swollen in the belly. So ama causes all sorts of trouble. It shows up in the physical body, clogging the channels, wearing us down, creating a swollen, achy situation. But it also affects the mind. As we know, the fire in the belly and the fire in the mind are connected. So when there's mental ama, that's very tamasic too. And so we get brain fog, feeling a lack of motivation, often feeling depressed, confused, ignorant, and having a lack of clear discernment. And so that can keep us in the cycle of choosing things that don't support us and don't bring us back to health. So we really need to lean into Ayurvedic principles to cut through that tamasic ama, restore the fire in the mind and the fire in the belly so we can come back to sattvic choices and sattvic lifestyle. For more of these tips, join us in Ayurveda 201. You can sign up now on yogajournal.com.